Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best Lockout Tagout lock set on the market, the JOJOMARK 30-piece safety padlock kit, complete with 30 Lockout Tagout tags. If you're in need of reliable, OSHA-compliant lockout solutions to keep your workplace safe, this product might just be what you're looking for. The JOJOMARK Lockout Tagout locks are designed specifically for industrial safety programs. Each lock in this set is keyed differently, meaning every padlock comes with a unique key to ensure maximum security and control over your lockout process. This is crucial in environments where multiple employees or contractors need to isolate machinery or equipment safely. The locks comply with OSHA standards, so you can be confident they meet the necessary safety regulations. Let's talk about the construction and design. The lock bodies are made from durable plastic, which is lightweight yet strong enough to withstand tough industrial environments. The shackle is made of stainless steel with a 1/4 inch diameter and a length of 1.5 inches, giving it a standard industrial size that fits most lockout applications. This balance of durability and lightweight material makes the locks easy to handle while still providing solid security. Another standout feature is the numbering system. Each lock and key set is laser engraved with a clear, permanent number that won't fade or erase easily. This numbering system is invaluable for safety management, allowing supervisors to track which locks are in use and by whom, reducing the risk of lost keys and accidental lock removal. The package includes 2 keys per lock, so there's always a spare key to prevent downtime caused by misplaced keys. Though it's recommended to check with your security supervisor regarding spare key policies. In addition to the 30 padlocks, the set comes with 30 Lockout Tagout tags. These tags are essential for communicating why a lock is in place and who is responsible, further enhancing the safety protocol. Clear tagging helps prevent accidental equipment startup and ensures everyone on site is aware of the lockout status. The overall dimensions of each lock are compact, measuring roughly 4 by 4 by 2 inches, making them convenient to carry and use across different locations. Despite their compact size, these locks are engineered to withstand the rigors of industrial use, making them perfect for manufacturing plants, construction sites, electrical work, and maintenance operations. What about usability? These locks are straightforward to use. The key lock mechanism is familiar and reliable, making it easy for workers to secure equipment quickly and safely without fumbling with complicated systems. The plastic body offers color visibility, especially since these locks come in a vibrant red color, making them easy to spot in busy environments. This kit is an excellent value, offering 30 locks, 60 keys, and 30 tags in a single package. It's suitable for small to medium-sized teams who need a dependable lockout system to ensure safety compliance without breaking the bank. In summary, the JOJOMARK Lockout Tagout Locks Kit stands out because it merges safety compliance, durable materials, clear identification, and ease of use into one comprehensive package. Whether you're setting up a new lockout station or upgrading your existing safety equipment, this set covers all the essentials. It's OSHA compliant, highly visible, uniquely keyed for individual security, and comes with clear tags for communication. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in a reliable and efficient lockout solution, the JOJOMARK Lockout Tagout Locks Kit is definitely worth considering. Stay safe and see you in the next video.